How to use Panda Remit. Follow my instructions. Panda Remit is a money transfer app that lets you send funds internationally at low cost. It's fast, secure, and easy to use once you know the steps. Here's how you can get started. First, download the Panda Remit app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and sign up using your email address or mobile number. Create a password and complete a quick identity verification process. Once your account is set up, tap Send Money on the home screen. Choose the country you want to send money to and enter the transfer amount. The app will instantly show you the exchange rate and transfer fee. Next, add your recipient's details, usually their full name and bank account information. Double-check the spelling and account number to avoid delays. You can also save recipients for faster transfers in the future. Now, choose your payment method. Panda Remit supports bank transfers, debit cards, or sometimes credit cards. Select the option that works best for you and confirm the payment. After that, you'll see a confirmation screen with your transaction ID. You can track the progress of your transfer directly in the app under My Transactions. Most payments arrive within minutes to a few hours, depending on the destination country. And that's how you use Panda Remit to send money safely and quickly. Thanks for watching.